Hey, DIY friends, is your Kohler toilet constantly leaking or running water? Chances are it's this little guy right here, the canister flush valve seal. The good news? You don't need a plumber and you don't need fancy tools. In this video, I'll show you how to replace it in just a few minutes. Tools and materials you'll need. Replacement Kohler canister flush valve seal. Kohler Class 5, red, yellow, or orange. Towel or sponge to soak up any leftover water in the tank. Adjustable pliers, optional, if your water shutoff valve is stiff. Small bucket, optional, in case of drips. That's it. No complicated tools. Just a simple seal swap. Step 1. Shut off the water. First things first. Turn off the water supply behind the toilet. Give the handle a flush and let the tank drain until the water is sitting below the canister. Step 2. Remove the canister. This is your flush canister. Sometimes the chain is too tight, so I'm giving mine one extra link of slack. Move the fill hose out of the way. Press down and twist the canister a quarter turn counterclockwise. Boom! It unlocks and lifts straight out. Now unhook the chain from the flush lever. It's a little fiddly, but take your time. Step 3. Replace the seal. Here's the worn out seal. Just pull it off. Easy. Grab your new seal. They come in red, yellow, or orange, but as long as it says Kohler Class 5, you're good to go. Push it into the groove. Run your finger around the edge and make sure it's seated evenly. The little tab can face any direction. It doesn't matter. Step 4. Reassemble everything. Drop the canister back in, lock it with a quarter turn, and hook the chain back up. You want about 1 or 2 links of slack, so it isn't too tight. Don't forget to reconnect the fill hose. Step 5. Test the flush. Turn the water back on and let the tank fill. The water should stop about ½ an inch below the top of the canister. Quick press equals light flush for liquids. Hold the handle down equals full flush for solids. No leaks, no wasted water, just a smooth, powerful flush. And that's it. You just replaced a Kohler canister flush valve seal. If this video saved you time and money, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more easy DIY plumbing fixes. Also, don't miss my video on Kohler silent fill valve replacement. I'll link it right here so you can keep your toilet running like new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY fix.